Hello everyone. So in today's session, I'll be moving from LMMS to FL Studio for the first time. Just kidding, it's not the first time. I downloaded the software and I just mess around with it. I mess around here and there. I testify the pattern, the MIDI, and the software is smooth and sweet. So this video is not gonna be long, just very quick and introduction video just for the backup. I'm I haven't uploaded since a long time, and you can watch the video story why I stopped uploading in my self improvement channel, and I will leave link in the description if you are curious to watch. So I'm here in FL Studio just to create a decent uh, a decent beat, no beat and bass line. It is, let's see. Nice. So let's go. So before we start this video, let's clarify what I'm about to do. So here I have the baseline panel here, and I have few things here in the bar side here. There's sound. There's a pack. In this pack here we have everything I need, from the bass to guitar to the keyboard. So I'm not interested in those. So I'm interested in guitar. So we'll try jazz to get the MIDI flowing and to get that music theory going. I've been working hard this summer to learn decent thing about music theory. Nice. Okay, that's sweet. More than sweet. So I don't know. So again, all I want to say, just getting this MIDI going is something amazing. I really like doing here. So I will probably start with MIDI. So you can change the scale if you want, just from the software already has everything you need. You don't have to bother think about if I'm doing the octave, the major C, major fifth, everything here. If you're not a big fan of the music theory, same as me, because I've been learning it through the whole entire summer, I'm just not doing. I'm doing just decent. So let's record this sample of MIDI. Just let's see audio to play this. So let's tell them to record everything. I guess that's enough. Let's pause. Nice. Amazing. Let's hear. No, I don't want to record, just enough for recording thing. That was smooth. Yeah, I can't believe I done this. So we have here amazing, smooth, and relaxing so I don't have to be blamed for copywriting thing. So this one with few beats, relaxing beat, will turn to a masterpiece. So hope you all enjoyed this introductory video, introducing of the backup, because there's still to come back. I'm sorry, and hope you all enjoy this video. See you next time.